Hi, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're taking a look at Chevrolet's very first and only fully electric vehicle. This is the 2019 Chevy Bolt EV. We are looking at an LT package, and there are quite a few unique characteristics about this vehicle I'd like to show you. First things first, we can see the miles per charge here listed on the window sticker for a combined 119 miles per charge at 128 in the city and 110 on the highway. Here is your charging port. Through the end of this month here at Apple Chevy, you can save $5,000 off the price of this Bolt EV, and we can check out the interior here and see how futuristic it looks. There's your interior seats. Very large touchscreen. All your controls on the steering wheel at the ready. And here's our shifter. If you've never driven one of these vehicles, it is certainly a new experience. They have instant torque, they are very quick off the line, and you can hardly even hear the thing running as it's running right now. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other on the lot here at Apple Chevy, please don't hesitate to reach out for more information. You can contact our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. And please check us out online at applechevy.com, where we have all of our new and pre-owned inventory listed online. Thank you very much.